From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the first big election post the abrogation of 370, the BJP has emerged as the single largest party, giving a tough fight to the NC and the PDP. The BJP made inroads in Kashmir by getting seats in Srinagar, in Bandipora, and the Pulwama Council. Here are the numbers, and then the big Kashmir debate.
The first big election in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir after abrogation of Article 370 witnessed unprecedented response. Over 51% voters came out to vote. In the exercise to strengthen the grassroots democracy in India's youngest Union Territory, the BJP has breached seats that were considered unbreachable till a few years back.
Bharatiya Janata Party has emerged as the single largest party in the District Development Council elections in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, followed by the National Conference at the 64 seats. Bharatiya Janata Party managed to secure 76 seats in the ongoing counting for the DDC polls. The People's Democratic Party and Congress secured 26 seats each in Jammu and Kashmir.
Apart from sweeping 4 districts in Jammu, BJP has made inroads in Srinagar, Bandipora and Pulwama.
सर ये पूरे देश की विक्ट्री है जो कुछ टाइम पहले कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे कि यहाँ तिरंगा उठाने के लिए नहीं होगा, लेकिन आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कमल खिला है। तो ये जितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे उनका मोहब्बत और उनका विश्वास है प्राइम मिनिस्टर के प्रति, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे सीट हासिल की है। और जितनी अलायंस ने यहाँ प्रोपेगेंडा फैलाया था, कम्युनलिज्म फैलाई थी, वो लोग चाहते थे कि बीजेपी को दूर रखना, लेकिन बीजेपी यहाँ दूर नहीं रखेगी। बीजेपी आज वाकई में बीजेपी श्रीनगर में घुसी है।
Here's a look at BJP's report card from 2019. The BJP got no seats in Kashmir in 2019 general elections, but secured 14% in the valley in Block Development Council polls.
The biggest achievement is, as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, it has established its acceptability across the region, of entire region of Jammu and Kashmir. It has retreated as the primary principal representative of people in the Jammu region. It has made huge inroads in the Kashmir Valley.
Naya Kashmir has voted for its first big election after complete integration and have chosen the side of democracy. Let's debate.
Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Anurag Thakur, a hardcore politician from Himachal Pradesh who's been looking at the whole election process for the BJP in Jammu and Kashmir. Anurag, welcome. What is more important for you, the sweep in Jammu or the entry into the Kashmir Valley?
I think a larger goal than that. I think it's a win of the democracy. The people of Jammu and Kashmir has not worked on the agenda of the Gupkar alliance, who wanted to boycott the elections, who wanted to have a discussion with Pakistan rather than participate in the elections. But the people of Jammu and Kashmir, they have participated in the election in large numbers, voted in large numbers, and made a historic decision. In the 70 years, for the first time, these DDC elections are held, and people have voted in large numbers. This is the win of the democracy. This is the win of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This win belongs to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And I'm thankful to them for giving us inroads into the Kashmir also, where many used to raise questions whether BJP will have any single candidate there, whether BJP will be able to make inroads, will there be anyone who has the BJP flag. Today I can say we have won 3 seats. We had more than 14% share in that region. And in Jammu region, we have done extremely well. And I'm sure, apart than BJP doing well, it is overall a win for the democracy. I think जमहूरियत की जीत हुई है, जनतंत्र की, लोकतंत्र की जीत हुई है, और उन लोगों को एक कड़ा संदेश गया है जो सीमा के अंदर और सीमा के पार इन चुनावों में डर, भय, भ्रम फैलाने का काम करते थे, उनके मुंह पे करारा तमाचा भी लगा है.
Anurag, the Gupkar alliance, which first said we don't believe in elections, and then they said that the central government and the BJP will come together to yesterday Mehbooba said manipulate the DDC results, is now saying that Anurag Thakur and the BJP are making tall claims because the Gupkar alliance together, their numbers are more than yours. So they say that you're making tall claims. They are still the more significant alliance.
So let me just answer this in two parts. First, have a look at the PDP's performance. I think by next election, they won't have enough people to contest for the PDP. Even the NC and the other members of the Gupkar alliance won't have alliance with the PDP because their performance has been very bad. At the same time, they wanted to boycott the elections. They, were making such allegations that there will be terrorist attack, stop the elections, have discussions with Pakistan. At one stage, Mehbooba Mufti said, nobody will hoist the Indian flag, the tricolor in Jammu and Kashmir. She undermined the power of tricolor. मैं उनको दो शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, तिरंगे की वो ताकत है महबूबा जी जो आप नहीं जानती. ये 130 करोड़ भारतीयों को एक सूत्र में पिरोने का काम करता है. And that is what Tiranga has done for us. And people have shown the place to PDP. At the same time, if you look at the BJP performance in Kashmir Valley, not only winning 3 seats, we had a full campaign, whereas they have been shying away from campaigning because people wanted to question them what they have delivered in last 70 years. Their families have ruled the state of Jammu and Kashmir for more than 7 decades. Abdullah and Mufti family. And what Kashmir Valley got? वहां के लोग अर्नब जी ये कहते थे कि हमारे बच्चों को तो इन्होंने पत्थर दिए हैं या बंदूक दी है या अलगाववाद आतंकवाद के साथ जाने की बात कही है, लेकिन अपने बच्चों को इन्होंने अच्छी शिक्षा और अच्छा रोजगार दिया है. They have been forced to join the separatist or the terrorist. Now the people of Jammu and Kashmir don't want to go with the separatist and the terrorist. They want to go with the nationalist people. They want to look at the development and peace. They want to hold the pen and write the history of new Kashmir, new Jammu and Kashmir. When the Prime Minister Modi is making new India, the people of Jammu and Kashmir will play a very important role. With the new leadership coming out through these DDC elections, they will be writing the history of the new Jammu and Kashmir now. They will have the power to do the development work in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, Anurag, let me use you put it across well. You're a young leader. Let me tell you, viewers, what has been rejected today. I'm sure Anurag will agree with me. Mehbooba Mufti had refused to accept the tricolor, and she had said that as long as our flag is not returned, we will not hold any other flag. That kind of politics, I feel, has been rejected today. The whole idea for the restoration of 370 has been rejected today. People like Farooq Abdullah, who called for integration, Chinese support, they are the people whose views have been rejected today. Remember, Farooq Abdullah says, I am hopeful with Chinese support, 370 will be restored. The pro-Pak narrative has been rejected today, but more than that, if you look at the Roshni Act scam, corruption at the family level has been rejected today. But, Anurag, I think the important thing also has been the voting turnout. Your numbers, and this election, whoever won, has been on the basis of very good turnout, much higher than in the parliamentary elections. Isn't that also very significant? More than just which party got what?
I totally agree with you, because the people of Jammu and Kashmir have made up their mind that they want to be part of this election process. Whether earlier Panchayat polls, BDC polls, now the District Development Committee polls. People have come forward. They have come out of the shells of this dynasty, and I think these parties who have ruled for last 70 years, and that is why there has been a huge turnout and a voting percentage has gone up despite the fear propaganda by the Gupkar alliance. I think the security forces has played a very important role. The local administration has done a good job, and this has been fair and fearless elections, and I think that is a big win for the Indian democracy and for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And Arnab, let me just say here, I've seen a lot of youngsters who have done very well. I see a huge potential in them that they're going to be the future leaders of Jammu and Kashmir. In the past 70 years, not many have got the opportunity to contest these kind of elections in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Even in the MLA and the MP elections earlier, many a times in many seats, there used to be 5% or 10% votes. And in the area of Vani, there also BJP has won, Dral we have won, other seats we have won. That clearly shows people are against terrorism. They don't want terrorism, they want tourism. That clearly shows that people want peace and development. And let me just take you back 9 years back. First time I made to your show, the prime time was in 2011, when I was doing the Tiranga Yatra from Calcutta to Kashmir to hoist the national flag. At that time also I was fighting for the rights of the Indian armed forces and for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The stone pelting was on. 2,000 soldiers were, in the hospital, and they wanted to give greater autonomy to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is our party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, from Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee, from Narendra Modi ji to my generation, we have been fighting for the rights of the tricolor, for the rights of the Jammu and Kashmir, to have one nation, one state, one flag and one constitution. And we have succeeded in that, and people have appreciated that and voted in favor of that only in these elections.
Well, absolutely, Anurag. Well, congratulations on the entry into Kashmir for emerging as the single largest party. Big effort there. Thank you very much for joining us on the Naya Kashmir verdict. That's Anurag Thakur. Thank you, Anurag.
Thank you.
Let's go into the debate tonight. Nupur Sharma, Emad Makhdoumi, Lalit Ambardar, Mir Junaid ready to debate with Inamur Nabi, Majid Haidari, Alimuddin Khan and Iftikhar Misgar. Nupur, look at Majid Haidari tonight. The beginning of a churn in the valley.
Well, see, it's a historic day.
The BJP is the single largest winning party so far.
I appreciate
76
the victory
seats
of democracy. It's the victory of Prime Minister's image as being a man of integrity who ensured free and fair elections. But I want to say something in Punjabi, and I don't know how many of you understand Punjabi. It is with regard to 3 out of 140 victory of BJP in Kashmir. Punjabi which kende ne, O din tubba jadoo kodi chad gaya kubba. It has taken BJP 70 long years to win mere 3 seats in Kashmir. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਭਰਾ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਤੇ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਦਿਨ ਟੁੱਬਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋੜੀ ਚੜ ਗਿਆ ਕੁੱਬਾ ਨਾ ਭਾਜਪਾ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਬਣਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਕਸ਼ਮੀਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਭਾਜਪਾ ਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਹਾਰ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਜਪਾ ਦੀ ਹਾਰ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੇ ਭਰਾਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣ ਲਓ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਭਾਜਪਾ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਭਰਾਓ ਇਹ ਹਾਰ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਅੱਜ 3 ਸੀਟਾਂ 70 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी दी कुर्बानी ते फिर भी ना जी सिर्फ 3 सीटां 140 विचों ए देख लो देशवासियों जेड़ा भी कश्मीरी दे नाल पंजाबी दे नाल खेलेगा ना
here is a man who said till recently that we must not have any elections. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you Majid Haidari for the entertainment.
No, Punjabi is not
Bandipora,
entertainment,
Pulwama,
sir.
Srinagar.
Punjabi is a tragedy
Places
this
where
time.
the Gupkar
You are
narrative did
playing
not
with my
work.
Kisan, Punjabi
Nopur
Kisans don't call it a comedy.
No, it's not the language.
This is
It's
a
what you
tragedy.
said which is entertainment.
Punjabi sadi shaan
It's what
hai.
you said is entertainment. Stop your tricks. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Please don't overdo it. Thank
See,
you.
Punjabi
Thank
is
you.
the
You are the
essence of every
entertainer.
Indian. If you don't know
Please
Punjabi,
restrict
that is your
yourself.
problem.
Now Nopur will respond to you. Nopur is responding to you.
Nupur ji ne ki कहना है?
Nupur
Nupur
is
ji ne
responding.
kaddu Punjabi
I
आती
won't.
है. ओ Nupur ji
Well,
Punjabi करो.
Arnab, good
Punjabi
evening.
किसानां ने
I don't
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੱਲ
want
ਸੁਣਨੀ ਹੈ,
to be
ਤੁਸੀਂ
heckled,
Punjabi
please. You'll
ਕਰੋ.
have to allow me my time. I don't want somebody screaming in my ear. Well, lack of information is Mr. Hedri's problem. Does he not know in 2014, BJP barely managed 1.7% vote share in the Lok Sabha election. In 2019 Lok Sabha election and in the Valley, BJP barely managed 2.9% vote share. And especially in the wake of what happened last year, in August 2019, क्या छाती पीट पीट के रोना पेंदेसी है? यही तो कर रही थी आपकी बुआ और बाबूजी। और क्या कर रहे थे कि जब तक तुम 370 धारा की एब्रोगेशन नहीं हटाओ, जब तक एब्रोगेशन नहीं हटाओगे, जब तक आप 300 धारा 370 को रीइंस्टेट नहीं करोगे, till such time you don't reinstate Article 370, we will not contest election. They had to take a U-turn on their own public statement and promise. These very political parties came out chhati peet ke. We don't believe in this. Democracy has been murdered. Black day, murder day of democracy. 370 हटा दिया और उसके बाद went on to announce until this you give us our own plan. We will not respect the constitution. We will not respect the Indian constitution. I mean, absurd number and amounts of statement. Absurd absolute statements against the Indian state. Yet you took a U-turn and fought the very elections, the first time ever, which were held within and the realm of that very constitution that you find some pride in abusing day in and day out. And what's more interesting, बैसाखी ढूंढ के कुछ तो वजूद बचा है. PDP की औकात देख लो. What was it that stopped you from contesting these DDC elections independently? 7 outfits had to come together into Gupta Alliance. 7 पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने साथ में चुनाव लड़ा है. मतलब इंडिपेंडेंटली इनका वजूद शून्य ही रह गया ना. नेगेटिव में तो नहीं पहुंच गया. चेक कर लेना.
I think more on independent
Inamun
candidates.
Nabi,
I think
if you look at the Inamun Nabi,
let me complete.
Inamun Nabi,
Let me
Nabi,
put my point.
in the municipal elections of 2018. No, I'm looking at the numbers here. In October 2018, the BJP won 212 wards in the Jammu region, 75 wards in Kashmir. It has now emerged as the single largest party so far. So what is clear to me is that Kashmir's vote was for the removal of 370. The DDC results will clear a new layer of governance in Jammu and Kashmir, overseeing panchayat and block development councils. And for that, more importantly, the citizens put their faith in at least 50 independent candidates and over 7 members of a party, which is a newly formed Apni Party. So how is it a, no, 1 second. How is it a victory for those who want to create the barrier of 370? This entire election is a vote for the removal of 370. People like you need to accept it. Mir Junaid, am I right? This entire election is a vote for the removal of 370. Mir Junaid is on the debate with Inamun Nabi. Mir.
Good evening, Arnab. It's a great day for the democracy of India. Today, as it has proven that it is one of the most enabling state systems in the world. The DDC elections have brought with them the time that the people of Jammu and Kashmir had been yearning to see for more than 30 years now. And the results of the elections are very, very positive, as the large number of independent candidates who had been supported by our party had emerged, victorious. It's a time to appreciate the voters, as well as they have shown that they cannot be fooled by lies, and we will not allow anyone to mislead them anymore. The people have chosen peace over violence and progress over communalism. You see, Arnab, the Gupkar gang, which I like to refer as an isolating agency of Kashmir, has been proven wrong yet again in these elections. And the DDC elections are no less than a plebiscite when it comes to the issue of Kashmir, firstly. The rumors and lies that were spread post the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A turned out to be what they are, and no mass reaction could be seen on ground.
Iftikhar.
No, Junaid, Junaid, you must accept the reality that it is Gupkar. If they would have not indulged in this business, the percentage would have been somewhere in 2% or 3%. We must give them, we must give the credit to the people of Kashmir. It is not BJP who has done this. It is Kashmiris, it is the role of Kashmiri Muslims, I would say, because Kashmiri Pandits vote is very less. Kashmiri Muslims came and because they believe in democracy, because they have a faith.
Lalit Ambardar and Imad Makhdoumi are free to come in.
They have not voted. Kashmiri Pandits have not voted. Only 422 Kashmiri Pandits have voted. See, they don't believe in this thing because they don't want peace in Kashmir. I have no grudge with Kashmiri Pandits. What I want to say is praise Kashmir, praise Kashmiris, praise Kashmirians. Don't praise a political party. Don't make the agenda of a political party equivalent to the Constitution of India.
I would praise the people of Kashmir for defying people like you who said consistently that you must have no faith in the electoral process. The people of Kashmir have given you a tight political slap because they participated in the process. And today's results have reinforced the faith of the people of Kashmir in the electoral process that you were against. Today's results are a reaffirmation of the fact that the sacrifices of so many local level leaders who were killed by terrorists and who you never spoke up for, that their sacrifices have not gone in vain. Lalit.
See, I am not in support of any PhD.
Yeah, listen, what was Gupkar Alliance all about? Gupkar Alliance was about maintaining Muslim majority character of Kashmir right under India's secular watch. That's why they wanted 370 back and 35A back. And this very obnoxious piece of constitutional arrangement saw Kashmir Jihad emerge in Kashmir. That's how Kashmir is genocide. And talking about mainstream political parties' role, listen, your leader Farooq Abdullah, last election, he's a sitting member parliament. How many votes did he secure then? 1 lakh votes out of 12 lakh votes. What is that? Not even 10%. That is what that came even despite making those provocative slogans कि हमारे बच्चे नौकरी के लिए नहीं मरते, हमारे बच्चे कौम के लिए मरते, इस्लाम के लिए मरते हैं. So listen, this is a slap on your faces. These young boys and girls, Muslim boys and girls, they are resurrecting Indian sovereignty in Kashmir. After genocide of Kashmiri Hindus, these are the emerging unconditional Indians in the valley of Kashmir. अब कश्मीर में निजाम नहीं बनता है. याद रखो 370 भारतीय सरकार ने सनातनी संस्कृति वापस आई. It's a restoration. Listen, we have resisted you. Today it is because of us. 103 crore Indians are stakeholders of Kashmir. Remember it. We gave you the resistance. No wonder you hate us. Your leaders hate us because we refuse to succumb.
This is Kashmir and Kashmir has rejected you. Kashmiris have today shown that they are more loyal than you. They are more Indians than you. Kashmir is proved today that they are more Indians than Lalit Ambardar, who has not voted, who has boycotted the vote process, who is only speaking,
No more. अब कश्मीर की सड़कों पर भारत माता की जय और जय भारत माता की होगा और वंदे मातरम होगा, जिसके लिए तुम लोगों ने हमारा जिनोसाइड किया. याद रखना, तुम जैसे लीडरान, तुम्हारे बाप लोगों की जागीर नहीं है कश्मीर.
अरे सुनो मेरे भाई, तुम्हारा तो कोई रोल ही नहीं बन रहा है. ललित अंबरदार
in Kashmir is a settler in Kashmir.
Mir Junaid. 1 minute. Imad Makhdoumi and Mir Junaid. Okay, 1 minute. Imad Makhdoumi, Mir Junaid on one side, Alimuddin Khan and Inamun Nabi on the other. Bottom line is this. The BJP, which has never won a single parliamentary or assembly seat in Kashmir, has today won 3 districts. Bandipora, Pulwama and Srinagar. They have won from 3 districts. Ahmad Makhdoumi, what does this reflect? Is there a change in mood? Is there an acceptance of the electoral process? Why have there been so many more people who have come out to vote in these elections compared to the parliamentary elections?
Well, I strongly believe that the enormous participation of the people of Jammu and Kashmir is a seal of approval of the historic decision which has been taken by the Honorable Prime Minister of India on 5th August 2019. Taking governance
अरे भैया कौन सा डिसीजन आपने बिलियंस ऑफ रुपए खर्च कर दिए गुपकर अलायंस के लोगों को कंपेन नहीं करने दिया उनके लीडरों को कैंडिडेट्स को कंपेन नहीं करने दिया तो आपको किस चीज का धन्यवाद दे रहे प्रधानमंत्री को भाई जो आपसे 10 साल पहले था 15 साल पहले था 20 साल पहले था क्या नहीं रोका गया इलेक्शन का रिजल्ट तो वही के वही है आपको 140 में 3 सीट आ गई आप लोगों ने 140 में यही झूठ बोला और आज समझते हैं कि जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग आपका ये झूठ सुनते जाएंगे के लोगों को धन्यवाद दीजिए टेकिंग गवर्नेंस टू द विलेज डोरस्टेप इज नॉट एन इजी टास्क इंडिया का उसके टुडे इट लुक्स लाइक द गोल हैज बीन सेट दे वांट टू स्टे विद इंडिया एंड द गुड मैसेज इज नाउ हियर इलेक्शंस किसी को इलेक्शन कैंपेन करने नहीं दिया गया पिछले 70 साल से आप लोग यहाँ पे लोगों को झूठ बोलते रहे आप झूठ लोगों को बोलते रहे
माजिद हैदरी
अरे भैया आपको
माजिद हैदरी ने मात मखदूमी माजिद हैदरी
आपको उतना मिला है जितना पहले मिलता था कश्मीर में आप कल भी 0 थे आज भी 0 है आपको मिला क्या है कुछ नहीं मिला वहाँ पर आपको 58 सीट लेके 58 सीट लेके लार्जर डिक्लेयर कर दिया अर्नब जी ने
There are many stand-up comedians on the right window this time.
Let me explain this. You know, the problem is that you have come unprepared. The problem is you have come unprepared, Mir Junaid. Naya Kashmir has chosen Indian democracy. Ye mila. Okay? Second place, low turnout areas have become high turnout areas.
Minus the politics.
Ye mila. No, low turnout areas became high turnout areas, Ahmad Makhdoumi. Ye mila. The party which promised to abrogate Article 370 was given a 46.7% mandate in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. The BDC elections saw 98% voter turnout. Sarpanches praised the move to abrogate 370. Ye mila. Terror recruitment has declined by 40%. Ye mila. So don't ask kya mila.
Arey kya mila? It's a referendum. Jammu
I'll tell you the difference. Can I give you some numbers?
It's a referendum.
Can I give you some numbers, Arnab? Can I please give you some numbers? In 2018 Panchayat election,
Dogra brothers have voted against you.
Can I please some numbers?
No,
Mr. Hedri, please, if you're done with your communally sensitive, inciting speech and monologue because you have no numbers, you have no information, Arnab, may I speak, please? Now, in 2008, in the Panchayat election, out of 2,135 halkas, what is a halkas? A halkas consists of a cluster of villages, each comprises of a ward, which is representative by a pancha.
Pakistan, Ghana, Ghatia, Pakistan.
Arnab, can you please put his fader down? I'll tell you क्या मिला ये चुनाव करके, क्या मिला 370 abrogate करके. Out of 2,135 halkas, no candidate stood in 708 and another 699 halkas went uncontested. That means 1,407 halkas out of 2,135 went uncontested in Panchayati election 2018. In comparison, in the first DDC election, all constituencies and seats had candidates and contests. ये मिला कि डर के मारे लोग घर में नहीं बैठे. ये मिला. In 2018, your stupid regional parties threatened boycott करेंगे, कोई वोट नहीं देने आएगा. 70% voter turnout था तब भी. In those days, from early to mid 30s, turnout in Kashmir to this time touching 40% voter turnout in some phases, the 8 phases DDC elections. ये मिला All seats were contested. Ye mila. People participated in democracy. Ye mila. After abrogation of 370. Ye mila. After abrogation doing away with 35A. Ye mila. Kashmiri women getting their rights and their due rights of succession, even if they marry outside the valley. Ye mila. हमें हक मिला, दलित भाइयों को हक मिला, to broad PhD scholars and
इनामुन नबी चुप
मैडम बात करने दीजिए को उनका हक मिला to go to college, to go to school and to come up for government employment. तुम हंस लो बेटा, मोदी जी को उनका परचम मिल गया. We have just started. We are a party which started with 2 Lok Sabha seats. Today, you know where we are. So laugh as much as you want. There will be a time where we'll be laughing at PDP, who has, in spite of looking for crutches, gone to a very dismal figure. Ye mila.
Alimuddin.
From last 70 years efforts, you got only 73 seats in whole Jammu and Kashmir.
तुम भी तो 70 से कर रहे हो, 26 पे क्यों सिमट गए? तुम भी तो 70 से कर रहे हो, 26 पे क्यों सिमट गए? बैसाखी जरूरत क्यों पड़ गई? 7 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को साथ में आके ढोंग रचना पड़ा, फिर भी औकात शून्य है.
अरे आपको मिला क्या? नुपुर जी काहे चिल्ला रहे हो?
अरे
नुपुर जी काहे चिल्ला रहे हो? उतना ही सीट मिला है जितना 10 साल 5 साल 15 साल पहले मिलता था. जम्मू रीजन में आपको पहले भी बढ़त थी, आज भी बढ़त है. कश्मीर में आपको आज भी हार गए हैं, कल भी हारे हुए थे.
तिरंगा झंडा नहीं
फहराएंगे. मोदी जी तो अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी आशीर्वाद लेने गए. अब हमको समझ में आया, मोदी जी आशीर्वाद लेना अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी को चले गए. इस रिजल्ट ने बता दिया. उनको पता था कि रिजल्ट ऐसे आने वाला है, इसलिए अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी चले गए. आप आ गए ना मुसलमानों के पास अटल जी की तरह वोट मांगने के लिए.
नॉट रिटोरिक्स.
यही मिला है. सेकुलर बनना होना पड़ेगा नपुर जी. इस देश को चलाना है तो सेकुलर होना पड़ेगा. आप एक धर्म विशेष पर लंबी राजनीति नहीं कर सकते. आप ये एक धर्म विशेष को खुश करके ज्यादा देर तक राजनीति नहीं कर सकते. आपको सेकुलर जो सेकुलर सिस्टम है इस देश का, उसके हिसाब से चलना पड़ेगा.
हम तो सेकुलर सिस्टम से चल रहे हैं. AMU की स्पीच.
जिन मुसलमान कैंडिडेट्स ने आज इलेक्शन जीता, क्या वो आपसे कम मुसलमान है? सुनिए अलीमुद्दीन खान, जिन मुसलमान कैंडिडेट्स आज बीजेपी की तरफ से 3 जीते हैं, वो क्या आपसे कम मुसलमान है? कहां के ठेकेदार बन गए आप मुसलमानों के? हिंदुस्तान के, कश्मीर के, दुनिया भर के मुसलमानों के ठेकेदार हैं आप. जिन 3 बीजेपी के कैंडिडेट्स ने आज इलेक्शन जीता कश्मीर के अंदर, क्या वो आपसे कम मुसलमान है? कहां के मुसलमान है आप? और सुनिए सर, एक सर,
तो सिर्फ आपको ये बता रहा हूँ.
फिर क्यों आप कह रहे हैं? आप कहां से ज्यादा मुसलमान बन गए? आप कहां से ज्यादा मुसलमान बन गए? और सुनिए, जब कश्मीर के अंदर कश्मीरी हिंदू का नरसंहार हुआ, वहां पे सेकुलरिज्म की बात कर रहे हो आप? तब आपकी सेकुलर जबान के पर ताला क्यों लग गया था साहब? जब इसी कश्मीर के अंदर कश्मीरी हिंदू का नरसंहार हुआ, कहां थी आपकी सेकुलरिज्म? आज कश्मीर का मुसलमान जो है वहां पे, लेकिन आप जैसे लोगों की वजह से सक्सेसिव गवर्नमेंट्स
बनवाया था और उन्होंने वहां से कश्मीरी पंडितों को मरवा के निकाला था. आप छोड़िए,
कश्मीर सर, आप तो ऐसा मत बोलिए. अरे डोंट यू डेयर belittle the genocide of Kashmiri Hindus. Don't you dare do that. I respect you personally. Don't you guys dare demean. Don't you guys belittle the genocide of Kashmiri Hindus. अभी तो शुरुआत है. अभी देख लो. अभी तुम्हारी जो इस्लामाबाद की जो कबर है ना, कश्मीर के अंदर, it is the beginning of the process of dismantling of your Islamophobic.
I would only like to tell. That's all right. I would only like to tell my dear friends who are exulting there that the BJP got 3 seats in Kashmir. Just 1 minute. By the way, Iftikhar, Lalit ji, 1 minute. Iftikhar, the BJP got 3 seats in Bengal also in the last elections. Look what happened. Some people are saying they're going to sweep Bengal this time, so don't get excited about 3 seats. The BJP emerges the single largest party in Jammu and Kashmir in the big headline tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, for the second time in 2 days, Mamata Banerjee has been forced to address the media and release figures claiming the development in Bengal under the TMC rule. As Amit Shah gears up for his next round of aggressive campaigning, the fact versus fact debate is much bigger.